Good morning to each and welcome to my student. I hope today morning you are coming with fresh mind, happy moods, without any difficulties. We thank to our Heavenly Father for giving us this wonderful moment to have a class interactions again. Okay, today we are going to discuss on the new chapter called the Inside Our Art, chapter 2 of your geography. In fact, my dear student, we have already discussed and talked about the environment in the first chapter. We are talking about the thing that has happened on the surface of the earth. And today we are going to talk what is happening in the interior art. Now let me introduce you to the dynamic earth or the dynamic planets. The earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. Because why? It is constantly undergoing changes. It never stops. Scientists say that this earth is the unstable earth. On the surface, it changes its feature, the river changes its course, the temperatures are changed by people because of our human activities. On the internal earth, it is changing every now and then. Landslide happens. The molten materials flows. Okay then, now the big question is, have you ever wondered what lies in the earth's interior? Or what is the earth made up of? Yeah, everybody know the answer. The earth's interior is made up of particular of rocks. And not only that, the earth is full of rocks and minerals in interior earth. Okay. Now then, let us see. What do you mean by interior of the earth? When we talk about interior of the earth is not the surface but the inside earth. And in fact, if you look at it, my student, just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers, one inside another, like an onion. And in fact, my student, we have got three layers of the earth. And these three layers of the earth, at the top we have got the crust, which is only 0 to 100 kilometer thick. And then we have got the mantle. Mantle we have got two, upper mantle and lower mantle. And then we have got core. Core we have got outer core and inner core. Okay, this one we are going to discuss step by step. Firstly, let us go to the first, that is the crust of the earth. The earth crust. In fact, the earth crust we have got continental earth crust, then continental crust, then oceanic crust, and oceanic beds, etc. Now let us see. This earth crust is the thinnest layer over the earth's surface. Here it is only 35 kilometers thick on the continental masses, and this continental masses is very unique because it has got how much? Two very special constituents of minerals. They are known as shear, or it is known as shear. And this shear is a combination of two minerals, Si for silica and Al for alumina. Then in the oceanic crust, we have got 5 kilometer thickness, and it has a constituents of two minerals. They are Sima. Here Si is for silica and Na for magnesium. So see, my student, in this earth crust, the oceanic crust is made up of Sima and the continental crust is made up of shear, that is silica and alumina. Okay, now let us go to the next. The next layer of the earth is known as mantle, and this mantle comprises of over 85% of the internal earth's volume. And in fact, if you look at it here, the mantle consists of upper mantle and lower mantle. The upper mantle has a depth of 410 kilometers from the earth crust. From here, the earth crust, it is 410 kilometers, and the lower mantle extends up to a depth of 2,900. From your crust to that of lower mantle, it is over 2,900 kilometers. But one thing you know, very hot inside there as you go deeper and deeper. Here, the temperature is 22,000 degrees Celsius in the lower mantle. But you go deeper into the core, it becomes hotter and hotter as well. So let us see the third layers of the earth, that is core. And this core has a combinations of over 15% of the earth's volume. And if you look at it here, it is the innermost layer of the earth's interior with a radius of about 3,500 kilometers. But from here, the crust to that of the interior, the most interior of the earth, it is 6,371 kilometers. Okay. As I already told you, in the crust, my dear student, it is made up of shell in the continental crust and it is sigma in the oceanic crust. But here, the core of the earth is made up of knife, Ni for nickel